Hello, my name is George Huang, and I am a mechanical engineer in the Premier College Internship Program. And I am recording this to talk about my experiences and thoughts on the first week of the program. Whenever I first started on Monday, I was very excited to be working for the Air Force and also very nervous because I was unsure of what to expect from the job, from my peers, and from the future. The first week with the symposiums, they were amazing. How they brought in so many different people from different branches, from different areas of the United States, and we could talk to them and ask them any question we wanted, and they shared their life experiences, such as the previous PSIPs as well as the previous PACs. They talked about how they went through their struggles, what they enjoyed about the job, what they were nervous about, what they experienced, what they could look forward to, what they gained through PSIP and PAC. And they talked about a lot of the things that I'm sure most interns, including myself, were worried about, such as how is this going to go? What if I don't do well? And they really reassured us that we would do great as long as we tried our hardest and tried to learn as much as possible and ask as many questions as possible. Another helpful thing was the other various people that worked for the Air Force. Previously, I didn't know that there were so many different types of people working together behind the scenes, in the scenes, all working together for the bigger picture of the Air Force. And I got to hear how they how they went through school, how they also were either went through this program or went through a different path in life, and hearing how they struggled and how they went through it all and climbed up the career ladder. It was very reassuring to hear that they were they understood how we felt, and I felt like I could really connect to them. They answered every question that we asked them, and I think being able to talk to them virtually was really great because I spoke to my supervisor, Mr. Jonathan Harkness, and I asked him if there was a big difference in the virtual internship or the actual internship if you actually went in. And apparently, there's a big difference. We wouldn't normally be able to speak to these people and learn about their experience, which I think this really helps to understand the community, the work culture, a lot better and feel more accepted. Being able to see more people, a lot of different types of people, and being able to connect with people. And so, if it was a normal internship, I feel like I would still gain a ton, but in this virtual internship, especially since this was very unexpected due to COVID-19, I think that the people who set up this program did an amazing job. I would especially like to thank my uh, the career field leaders, Mr. Ed Bujan, Miss Lita Hamilton, and Miss Chandra Bates. Miss Bates and Miss Hamilton, they answered emails very quickly. Any questions I had, they could immediately give me a response that was very clear and concise, and it really alleviated my worries. Mr. Ed Bujon gave a speech that I thought was very motivational, and it really eased my worries and made me feel really accepted. He talked about how a lot of internships all around the US have been sort of laying off the other interns that were supposed to work this summer due to COVID-19, and how the US Air Force, instead of just letting us go, they tried their hardest. They worked the best that they could to create the best program possible, which they really did a really good job. And it was very moving to hear how hard they had to work in order to give us this experience and to be able to work with us and to not give up on us. And it 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 made me feel very important, very honored to be able to experience this opportunity. and I will be forever thankful, and I really look forward to what the future holds. Thank you.